unicorn. So, okay, after 20 hours flight plus connection, I'm finally here in Athens. Athens is not a big airport, so as you can see behind me, you get out of the custom and get your luggage, and here's the airport. So, I'm going to walk around and just show you. And of course, if you need a SIM card, there's a place to grab a SIM card inside and outside. Of course, exchange is here for money. I was here last year for a cruise. So we get up here and there's a lot of cruise service people and picking up people. They're really nice and they have a big sign. They gather people in the airport and line you up, then go to the parking lot and take you to the port.
The pharmacy right there.
So if you get on a cruise, you probably want some medicine before you get on a cruise. Okay, here's the bus stop, so you can fight it. So what people recommend is you can take the metro, bus, taxi, or Uber into the city. All the way to the other end of the airport is the storage place. 在机场的另外一端是可以储存你的行李的地方。万一你只是把行李放在这里然后去玩的话。So from airport Uber to this Airbnb place is about 40 minutes. So I'm going to unbox this Airbnb place I reserved for you. So this building was owned by the owner's grandfather, and she maintained really well and used that for Airbnb and have different floor and different people live in there. But one of the best thing I like is they share a common roof. So I'm going to show you all those. So let's go. Like most of the European buildings, they call the first floor the ground floor, and the first floor is actually the second floor. So ground floor, this is first floor, and I'm living in the second floor, which used to be third floor. Try not to confuse you, but with this key, okay. So coming in with a big table, so really good for me to working on my YouTube video. This side is a bathroom, shower place, laundry, fireplaces here. And a small kitchen. I can cook if I want to heat up something. Another table and a fireplace. So I think the weather is so warm. Today is October 16. But the weather is still very nice. I feel no need for fireplace. One bedroom. Plenty space to hang your clothes, towel, and you have a private balcony. Nice view of the street, and you can see the metro station is right there. Okay. Now I'm going to take you upstairs to the roof. The cleaning lady just here to clean the floor, so it's a little wet. So there was cleaning this morning when I tried to go up to the top. You think I'm going to just look and not getting one? Greek yogurt with mango on the top. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe. I'll see you next time.